Hi there guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we're going to be looking at how to make a box border or a box frame using the duplicate rotated effect. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. Guys will notice we do have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload training videos daily, so you can just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now we've covered the duplicate rotated effect before, but today we're going to be looking at how to create a box border, or like I mentioned, a box frame using it. So then first of all, what we're going to do is select our shape. So you want some form of rectangular shape, but quite frankly, even just take a tool, make a rectangle shape. But obviously, the more decorative you make it, the better it's going to look. Then with that selected, we want to go on top here to object on our main menu, and then we want to navigate down until we find duplicate rotate. Shortcut key for that is Ctrl+Shift+D. We select that. Now from its options, we want to set basically three of these options. There will be the total copies, the V offset or rotate V offset for vertical, and the group duplicates. So let's switch on the group duplicates along. So obviously the amount of copies we make, they're all thrown into one group on our layers panel. The next thing we want to do is the total of copies. Let's increase this to 4. Now as you can see, we've got all 4 of the sides. Then we want to adjust the rotate V offset, similar to what we did with creating a circle border. Increase this till we find something that we like. So I would say that works for me. Then you click OK, and then now we'll see here under our menu, we have here a duplicate group with all 4 of those borders in it. But like usual, if we just had to go to the print preview now, cut preview, you will see those individual sides are going to cut out in each other as well, which is going to make a mess of the border. So the quickest way to fix this, a non-destructive way, is we go to our styles panel on the right, and then we can select the wild option. Make sure your group is selected when you enable that. Then if we go to preview, we can see now, let me wait for it, there we go, that those corners are grayed out, which means they will not cut that anymore. Then a more permanent way you want to do it, let's say you know you're going to keep your border like that, you're not going to individually move these or change them. Then what you can always do is with your group selected, then you can go to path on the main menu. Then we go to union, which the shortcut for that is Alt-U. We select that and we go preview. You will see it's got the same effect, but now there's no grayed out little edges anymore. So this is now one permanent shape. Otherwise, yeah, that is it on creating using a duplicate rotated effect to create a box border or frame. Otherwise, we head you to vinylcut.co.za. The program is freely available here. Just head to the downloads page. Otherwise, on the softwaretraining.co.za, like I mentioned earlier in the intro, we have a variety of different softwares we do cover. And if you don't want to manually filter through all the videos, and you're looking for anything specific, you always go to our search bar and just type in something you're looking for here, hit the little magnifying glass, and it will bring up the results. But if the results run dry and there's nothing that you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, and then we will make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.